out to an apartment complex, and there were 23 extinguishers there, and 17 of the extinguishers did not work because they had leaked down. What happened was there was a resident in the apartment who had an 11-year-old son and a 6-year-old daughter. One of her kids found a pack of matches, and they started a fire on the second level of the apartment. And the residents came out to fight the fire with extinguishers, and the extinguishers didn't work. They tried 5 or 6 extinguishers and they had no luck. Both of those kids died in the fire.
Because at a very early young age, I saw a car fire in which 9 members of a family died. I still want to put out that fire that I saw when I was a kid. And I still have that same passion that I had that day. The system wasn't working, and we decided to create a user-friendly fire extinguisher that would protect and save lives, and we felt that this was the right thing to do, and we were going to follow this passion throughout the rest of our lives.